Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to pay yourself on payroll. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start paying themselves on payroll just because they're starting to generate some profits from their business. So be sure to stick around and keep in mind that this video shouldn't be construed as financial advice, but let's go on and get started. Now the program that we're going to use in order to actually put ourselves on payroll is this program called Gusto. So Gusto is a payroll HR benefits tool. It's very easy to use. I've been using it for the past 4 years. I basically set it and forget it. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do set up your first payroll, you'll actually get $100 emailed to you via a gift card. So Gusto itself, I think I'm paying around like $45 a month for it, but it's totally worth it. So let's go ahead and get started as far as how to set up your payroll goes. Here on the homepage of Gusto, if you click on my link down below in the description, click on create an account, and then your page is going to look like this. So on this page, you're simply just creating a Gusto account. So simply fill out all the information here and then click on create an account. Next, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. So who's your company planning to pay with Gusto? Usually in my case, it's just myself. Next, how does your company currently run payroll? Usually it's we're new to running payroll. Is your company registered as an employer with the IRS? Yes or no? Do you have a company bank account? Yes or no? In which US states do you work? So select the states in which you work. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business? So yes or no? What industry are you in? So you're just going to click on this toggle button and then select the industry that closely matches your business. And then on the bottom here, it's asking if your company is a cannabis related business. So yes or no? Does anyone in your company need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules? Yes or no? What is your desired first payday with Gusto? So this is going to be an estimated date. For my business, I pay myself on the 21st of every month, but you can decide how you want payroll to be, and you can always change this date later and then click on continue. The next page that you're going to reach is this recommended package page, and the package that they're recommending for one person is the plan called the Simple Plan. So this is the plan that I'm in, and it allows me to run unlimited payrolls in one state. You could also get your W-2s and 1099s at the end of the year. You also get some insights and reporting, and you also get basic support from Gusto. So I've contacted Gusto before, and they've been absolutely phenomenal, even though I was on their most basic plan. So if everything here looks good, just click on confirm and set up. Next, under pay and under run payroll, there's 3 more things that you need to do. You need to add your payroll details. So click on continue over here. And then from this page, you just need to fill out your addresses, your federal tax info, your filing address, your bank account, your pay schedule, and then your signatory. So after that, let's go and go back. Next, you're going to create your employee profile, which is essentially the profile for yourself. So under create your own profile, you're going to click on continue. So from this page, you just need to fill out your basic information here and then fill out your compensation over here. So with the compensation, job title, I put as manager. Employee type, I put salary. For amount, you can put $60,000 per year. And then do you have a special tax exemption status? Usually this is set to no, and then click on save and continue. Now the next page, it's going to ask you for personal details. Just fill it out to the best of your ability and then click on save and continue. Now under tax elections, you just need to fill this out again to the best of your ability. So afterwards, you have some state-specific tax withholdings here, depending on which state that you're in, and then click on Save and Continue. Now, if we go back to the page under Pay and then under Run Payroll, the last thing that you need to do is share your state tax details. So this is specific to your state, but you would simply just click on this Let's Do It button and then share your state tax details. But that is essentially how to pay yourself on payroll. And again, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in the description in order to sign up. Gusto is absolutely phenomenal. I think it's a very simple and easy platform to use, and it allows you to put yourself on payroll. But if you guys know of a better or easy way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.